Kittl is being called the AI-first design platform for creators. But is it just another pretty tool or a real game changer for brands and products? Let's find out in this honest demo review, using only what's on their official site so you know exactly what you're getting in 20. Kittl is built for designers, sellers, and businesses to create standout branding and product visuals faster than ever, and it's free to start with no credit card required. The core idea is that you stay in control while AI enhances your workflow, featuring a powerful canvas that integrates multiple top AI models like ByteDance's Seedream, Ideogram 2.0, OpenAI's GPT and DALL-E 3, and even Flux from Black Forest Labs. This means you can generate and edit images without leaving the platform. Beyond AI, Kittl offers a huge library of curated templates and assets, including mockups, fonts, graphics, and vector files for professional editing. The positive side, it combines AI generation, mockup creation, and control design editing in one place, which saves hours of searching for assets. Kittl offers 4 tiers. The free plan gives you 5 projects, 200 one-time AI tokens, professional templates, and access to over 1 million stock assets. The Pro plan is $12 per month when billed annually and includes 2,000 AI tokens monthly, unlimited projects, unlimited Flux images, HD and vector exports, plus 10 gigabytes of storage. The Expert plan costs $26 per month annually, giving you 6,000 AI tokens per month plus 200 daily tokens, priority access to new features, print-on-demand presets, and 100 gigabytes of storage. Finally, the Max plan at $48 per month annually provides 12,000 monthly tokens plus 600 daily tokens, high-volume AI video creation, an extended commercial license for client work, advanced security, and dedicated support. Thanks for watching this honest review. I'll catch you in the next video.